Hello guys, welcome to another video from MobTech Friends. In this video, I am going to introduce you to our upcoming video series. This series will cover up more on common computer software related issues. So stay tuned and let me guide you through the various topics this series will cover. In the first video on the series, we will tackle the issue of slow computers. We will address the causes and how you can fix them easily. Next, we will explore the world of malware and virus removal. We will look at various antivirus softwares and how you can use them to troubleshoot your computer. Following that, we will dive into causes and fixes to software crashes. We will then talk about software updates. We will look at the importance of updates and how to manage them. We will also look at data backup and recovery, internet connectivity problems and fixes, blue screen of death or BSOD, disk space management, and software installation errors. So, as mentioned, there are a lot to learn as this series comes your way. Hence, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share the video as well. If there are issues you think are worth it but not yet mentioned in this series topics, put them in the comments section and we will tackle them later episodes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.